You probably think that you are better now. I know you say that 'cause I'm not around. You know I never meant to let you down. Would've gave you everything, give you everything. I did not believe that it would end, no. Everything came second to the bend, so oh, you're not even speaking to my friends, no. You know all my uncles and my aunts, so 20 candles, blow 'em out and open your eyes. We were looking forward to the rest of our life. Used to keep my picture posted by your bedside. Now it's in the dresser with them socks you don't like. And I'm rolling, 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 rolling with my brothers like it's Jonas, Jonas. Drinking Henny and I'm trying to forget, but I can't get you out of my head. You probably think that you are better now, better now. I know you say that 'cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down. Would've give you everything, would've give you anything. You probably think that you are better now. I know you say that 'cause I'm not around. You know I never meant to let you down. Would've give you everything, I'll give you anything.